Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by today and thank you for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you real quick how you can do your head wraps, and I'm going to show you about 4 ways on how you can tie your head wraps. You know, it doesn't have to be really complicated. It is really simple, okay, and you can do it in less than 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. And I'm going to show you the one that is my favorite. I mean, like, I call that one the lazy one. I mean, if you don't have time, if you're in a rush and you need something to cover your hair, you know, head wrap is always my go-to on, you know, some days that your hair is not really good. You know, you need something to cover your hair. Maybe you want to run to the grocery store to get something and your hair is not really sexy like that. I mean, the way that you will expect it to. So head wrap is always a go-to. So you just grab your head wrap, tie it, and there you go. So yeah, the first step, the first head wrap style that I'm going to do is I'm going to use this head wrap. This is what I'm going to use for the first style. So all what you have to do is take this, hope you can see me, you take this, you just put it like that, like this. I hope you can see my back. Just cross it at the back like this, cross it at the back like this, like that, and then you make sure it's equal. Make sure this aligns with this. Make sure it's equal, and then you cross it over like this, cross it like this. And then you take it right to the back. Take it to the back like that. I hope you can see it. Then you tie it. You tie it, and make sure you tie it again so that it is secure like that, and then you tuck this in like this. I'll tuck it in like this, and then you come over to the front to adjust the front. You see, you take this, you tuck it in like this, like that. This part, just tuck it in like this. Then you make sure you push this to the front. You want to make sure that your hair shows a little, like that, and there you go. So this is one of my favorite styles. So you can see how easy that is. So yeah, this is one style, and another style I'm gonna show you is also really quick. So you can see that did not take time. So let's go to the next style. So for the next style, you're gonna have your head wrap ready, and then you want to make sure that one side is longer than the other side. Like, this is going to be shorter on my left, my right is going to be longer. So the left is going to be shorter than the right side. So you do the same thing, you put it on your head like this, like that. So you can observe, see that this is shorter and this is longer, and then you cross it like this. You cross it like this. Yeah, so you cross it like this, and then you're gonna start twisting this other side. Twist it like this. Twist it, don't worry about this, just twist this, twist it like that. And then you twist this side too. See how I'm holding this one? Then you twist this like this. Like that. So both sides, okay? Like that. And then you take it round like this. You take it round like this. So this one, I'm gonna push it in here, tuck it in here, like that. Then this, I'm gonna keep twisting it. Twisting it. So, and then I'm gonna put it like this, tuck it in here. Like that. So for this part, you can just push it in like this and then you tuck it in. Okay? If you want to cover your ear, you can just pull it like this. You pull it to cover your ear. So this is my second style. Okay, so oops. So yeah, this is it. This is the second style, and I'm gonna show you the next one real quick. Okay, so you take this out, take this out. So for the third one, I have my head wrap ready. I'm just gonna put it at the center. You know, it's equal sides. Just put it like this, and then you just tie it at the back like this. You tie it at the back, and then take both sides like that. Take both sides. Then you tie it again like this. Okay. Okay, and then this, you tuck it in somewhere. Tuck it in. You tuck this part in. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay. So this is what I call the lazy man's style. Okay. So if you don't have any time, just do this. And you can decide to pull it like this to show your edges, you know, like this. Yeah, so this is the third style, and I'm going to show you the last one real quick. Okay, so let's do the last style, and you can decide to use any head scarf, head wrap of your choice. So for the last one, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this color. Okay. So guys, for the last style, I'm gonna use this head wrap. Since I don't have a big bun on my hair, I'm gonna use this. So if you have a big hair, that is fine. Just put your hair in a bun like this at the front. See, mine is not big, it's small. I'm just gonna put it up here like this, and then I'm gonna use this, put it at the back like this. Oops. So you put it here, and take it round. I'll be careful. Okay, because I want a big bun at the front, and then you cross it like this. Cross it. So what you're gonna do now is to use this. So just use this and put it like this, because you want to cover that the other scarf or your bun, your hair. So then I'm gonna do like this, take it, wrap it like that, and push it in here, push it in here. Take it round and tuck it in here. Okay, so yeah, this is it. You can see that it has, this one has covered the other head wrap that I used as my bun. So yeah, so let me show you the back. You see how it looks like. Okay, so these are my simple 4 go-to head wrap styles. So if you liked this video, if it was helpful to you, make sure you give me a thumbs up, click that like button and share this video, and don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so that every time I upload a new video you'll be the first person to be notified. Okay, so you can also follow me on Instagram at Sylvia Sandy 7, and also follow me on Facebook, Opong's Palace. Okay, so I'm gonna leave them in the description box below. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.